Lamalungu ekomiti elibhekele amaphoyisa abephuma ukuyokwenza umsebenzi wawo ngesikhathi abasolwa bangaziwa bephula amafastela emoto yawo baqala bayijikijela ngamatshe.
It was a violent attack. After they smashed Ian's window, I couldn't see through the window. And he had, kind of started screaming at them and fighting back. And when I looked through the back passenger window, I could see the aggression on the attacker's face. And in that moment, I knew that they're not going away and we are under attack.
Usihlalo wekomiti lamaphoyisa ephalamende Ian Cameron uthi kudingeke asebenzise isibhamu sakhe ukuzivikela kanye nozakwabo.
I realized that if we don't do something, then this can go really bad. So I did my best to act in self-defense with my firearm, and then we sped off to the closest secure location, from where we then started calling emergency services.
Umsolwa wokuqala uboshwe izolo ebusuku eyofuna usizo esikhungweni sezempilo nokukholakala ukuthi udubuleke ngesikhathi behlasele izisulu. Umsolwa wesibili uboshwe namhlanje ekseni.
2 people have been arrested and they will be appearing in court tomorrow. One will appear in person as a minor and the other one is in hospital but will appear in absentia tomorrow. We know who the third suspect is, which we are looking for, and we could not find in the address where he's supposed to be, but we're still looking for him until we arrest him.
Abasolwa ababhekene namacala okuzama ukubulala nokuzama ukuduna imoto.